set up how many, in the tessellation scheme, which things am I going to use for this? Instead of using a geometry grid, I'm going to use a geography because it's the three-dimensional. But then I can go out and I can specify, what level I want to go. I haven't really dug into this very much, but if you do this, it will, depending on what you're doing for intersection of things, will speed up the performance on that. So save that and close out. We'll save our update, and so then we've got all the data that has been indexed. One of the questions was, what about distance? How could I go out and find locations that are close to and get a zip code? I've got a table that, like I said, I pulled down called zip code tabulation areas. What I can do is I can write a query to go out and use some of that data. So let's go over here and say I want to pull back the 10 closest stores to a given zip code. And I've got a table called stores. Stores is actually just a set of locations that have a geometry, a latitude, and a longitude associated with it. But I can go out and I can say declare the geography, set my zip code here, was it 55401, Minneapolis, and I can say, okay, pull back the top 10, so I'm going to return back the top 10 locations that are some distance away and order them by the distance that they are. So this will then return back by using the ST distance query the 10 closest stores. Go ahead and execute this. And what we should see in our data coming back, again, tuning would be good. But you can see here's all the Minneapolis stores, and the distance away. So 0.8 miles down to 4 miles, ordered by whatever. If I wanted to, I could say where the distance is less than 100 and be able to pull back all of those items as well.